Is DaVinci Resolve 18 throwing a fit and refusing to import your precious footage? Don't panic, because in the next minute and a half, we'll dissect the common culprits and arm you with the solutions to get your editing flow back on track. First up, let's talk codecs. DaVinci Resolve is a powerful beast, but it doesn't play nicely with every file format under the sun. Check what type of file is failing to import. It could be a weird codec like MKV or an outdated one. Converting it to a more Resolve-friendly format like MP4 using Handbrake or another converter is often the easiest fix. Next, investigate file corruption. Sometimes, a file gets damaged during transfer or storage, making it unreadable. Try playing the file in another media player like VLC. If it stutters, glitches, or doesn't play at all, that's a big red flag. Retransferring the file from its source or trying a different download can often resolve this. Software glitches can also be gremlins in the machine. Restarting DaVinci Resolve, or even your entire computer, can clear up temporary errors. Also make sure your DaVinci Resolve is updated to the latest version, because updates often include bug fixes that addresses import issues. If those quick fixes don't work, delve into DaVinci Resolve's project settings. Navigate to project settings greater than master settings greater than optimize media and render cache, and make sure these options are enabled. DaVinci Resolve can create optimized versions of your media to improve performance and solve import issues. And there you have it. By addressing codec compatibility, file corruption, software glitches, and optimizing your project settings, you'll dramatically increase your chances of smooth and seamless media importing in DaVinci Resolve 18. Now get back to creating amazing content.